Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Ono Hawaiian BBQ chicken. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. For the marinade, combine 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and some freshly grated ginger. Mix it all together, then let your chicken marinate for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. This step is crucial for infusing that amazing Hawaiian flavor. Now, let's get grilling. You'll want to preheat your grill to a medium-high temperature, aiming for about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once hot, place your marinated chicken thighs on the grates. Grill them for approximately 6 to 8 minutes per side. Remember to baste the chicken with any leftover marinade during the last few minutes of cooking. This helps keep it moist and adds an extra layer of delicious flavor. To complete your Ono Hawaiian BBQ chicken experience, let's talk about sides. A generous scoop of fluffy white rice is absolutely essential, soaking up all those wonderful flavors. For a truly authentic plate lunch, pair it with a creamy, classic Hawaiian macaroni salad. Finally, for a touch of freshness and visual appeal, garnish your delicious chicken with some freshly chopped green onions or a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. Enjoy! Here are a few pro tips to elevate your Hawaiian BBQ chicken even further. For an extra tender and flavorful chicken, try adding about 1/4 cup of fresh pineapple juice to your marinade. After grilling, always let your chicken rest for 5 minutes before slicing. This helps retain all those delicious juices. And remember, feel free to adjust the sweetness and saltiness of your marinade to perfectly match your personal preference. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.